breakfast for today. Sunny side up egg, scrambled egg, of course. Sausage. At blurry yung cellphone natin. Hayaan mo na. Busy day. So kailangan na lang natin kamayan lahat na energy. Tapos meron tayong fried rice. Fried rice and rice. Yan. So this is our breakfast for today's video. Thank you for watching. Have a good day, guys. Thank you. Bye. Lunch for today. Chicken, gravy, itlog, patatas, lechon manok ne. Mushroom. Ayan.
Magkano isang tray ng malak?
Yan. Tapos yan. Of course, my favorite po it. Yan yung lunch natin for today's video.